Good morning from Graham Family Farm and Happy New Year. Those posts there that's on that trailer I need to get put in the ground. But it's so wet out here that you can't dig because the dirt would stick to your shovel or your auger, whatever tool you're using. So it probably will have to wait until the spring. Normally we'd still be able to do a little work out here if the ground wasn't froze too solid. But right now, it's mud. Happy family. Well, I gave them a flake of hay to hold them over until I give them some other stuff. Got one more barrel left. We keep the strings because we tie up a lot of stuff with us. So I just take them in the shop or the barn and store them. So I just cut them at the knot so you get more use out of them. Ooh, Harold's throwing a fit. Good morning, Harold. What are you doing? Oh, you're out of water. Well, you flipped it over again? Alright, we'll get you some water. We'll get you some food first. Well, the chickens got fed and they got some scratch. Harold's got some grains, some corn, some alfalfa. Just gotta get them some water. Over here we got the mama. She's got the same thing. Give them a little bit of corn because they really enjoy it. But I'm not bringing down the canned vegetables today. Here's Sally guarding the place. She was barking out something a few minutes ago. Again, got Shelby over there doing the same thing. You weird dogs. Hey, these pigs here, they're happy. They really do like the corn. They spread along the fence there so the babies do get some. The parents will run them off. Yeah, if you need a pig, let me know. I got plenty. Too many of them. My feed bill keeps going up. They sure are cute. Well, here Odo is feeding Molly. Her sister is next. Okay, Lisa's feeding Brandy her dinner. And
Molly really
Molly wants up there too. Yeah, another cold, wet, damp day. Got another like 78 more days until spring, which will bring some warmth. I can't wait. Well, thanks for watching. Hope you have a great day. Happy New Year.